Your Excellency, with your kind permission, I will now invite the former Deputy Governor, former Deputy Vice Chancellor, Bayero University, Kano, Professor Hafiz Abubakar, to deliver a goodwill message. Your Excellency, sir.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صلى الله على النبي الكريم وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of Kano State, Engineer Alhaji Abba Kabir, Abba Gida Gida, the People's Governor, Your Excellency, Takwarana, the Deputy Governor of Kano State, Comrade Amina Abdusalam Gwarzo. One of the MCs says, Professor Hafiz Abubakar Gwarzo. I say yes, it's correct. He said it innocently, but he doesn't know that he was saying the right thing. It's Hafiz Abubakar Gwarzo. The Right Honorable Speaker, Rangati, Chief of Staff, Chairman, Civil Service Commission, Your Royal Highnesses, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, because of time. It's a great honor for me to be called upon to express goodwill message in an occasion of this magnitude. Considering the time we are in this country, it is only a governor that cares for his people that will look on the side of pensions. This 6 billion, I've been told, is a flag off. It's a flag off. And it is starting from those most deserving, from level 1 to 6. Chairman, is it correct? From grade levels 1 to 6, the most deserving. I think this is a clear testimony of the humanity and care of our leader, our governor, and this administration. Your Excellency, I say congratulations to you. We are with you. We will be with you. Whatever is the outcome, we will be with you. We will be standing. We will be standing for the truth. We will be standing for the people of Kano State. We will be standing for humanity. We will be standing for the history of prosperity of Kano State and its future.
Abba gida gida na ce Abba Musa soja ne ya ce ayi waƙar Musa soja ɗan dago.
People are creating and advocating and selling falsehood in Abuja. They have forgotten the history of Kano. They have forgotten how Kano came to where it is. And they have forgotten where Kano is going. And by Allah's sake, Kano will be there, led by Abba Kabir Yusuf. Your Excellency, the chairman of the Nigerian Pensioners Union made 2 requests. He said he is pleading with you to pay back the illegal deduction of 5.4 billion naira, illegal deduction illegal deduction of pensions. I say, please listen. This 5.4 billion illegal deduction has not been remitted to Kano Treasury. They are in Abuja. The illegal deductions of 5.4 billion are with individuals in Abuja. So I am advocating the first step is for the Nigerian Union of Pensioners of Kano State to document and deliver their complaint to the EFCC to look for their 5.4 billion. Mr. Chairman, Pensioners Union, you should also tell the world that some individuals have illegally deducted and stolen your 5.4 billion, which they are now using for propaganda and for wanting to steal mandates. Let the union tell the world. Then we will beg our compassionate governor, before EFCC squeeze them to bring the money, our governor will pay you. But tell the world, go to the EFCC and tell the world that some people have stolen their money and they are eager in Abuja and wanting to steal Kano people's mandate. Your Excellency, so full of joy, and Allah is my witness. You are demonstrating that heartbeat of Konkwasiya, which is about care, about love, about good governance, about equity, about fairness, about justice. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much. A round of applause for His Excellency, the former Deputy Governor of Kano State, Professor Hafiz Abubakar.